We are picked up by surfing and hiking travel services around 2 a.m. and it took almost 3 hours to get from Quezon City to Capasterla. After the registration, we consume the breakfast that were part of our package as soon as we get at the Capasterla. While we enjoy our 4x4 adventure, let me give you a brief overview of Mount Pinatubo history. Mount Pinatubo is an active stratovolcano resides in western Luzon, on the middle of Zambales, Tarlac, and Pampanga provinces of the Philippines. Before 1991, Pinatubo was thought to be an inactive volcano and it lay dormant for about 600 years. However, after 10 weeks of volcanic activity, Pinatubo erupted on June 12 to June 16, 1991. The summer crater lake of Mount Pinatubo formed after the volcano's climatic eruption beginning of September of that year. After that, Mount Pinatubo gained popularity as a trekking attraction and was recognized as a beautiful disaster. Please be aware that the color of Mount Pinatubo Lake varies according to the season and the month.
Gusto Koreanan to doon nag-ahabol ng tubig sa likod doon.
Palayasin na natin.
Gusto niya, lagyan ng... Nabasa.
Parang ang tinuha agad din.
Grabe na. Grabe yung kinuha. Grabe yung kinuha.
Hindi kasi ganyan naman talaga, di ba? Paakyat. Oo, grabe. Yung sulong agad, di pa ganun.
Parang ilog sa atin.
Oo, yung ilog. Sige, paharap.
Perfect. Lumabas ka.
Dito pala sa kabila.
Yan.
Dito yung
Ganyan. So, andito na po si Haring Araw. Hi, good morning. Tapos si Kuya po, mabilis maglakad.
I visited Mount Pinatubo for the first time in 2019 and I am returning for the second time. I've seen a lot of changes over this journey, from modification and rock formation, a river crossing brought on the prior disaster and typhoon in the previous year. Our trekking was reduced from 7 to 3 kilometers. During our visit in October 2019, the lake waters were stunning shade of blue, but this month and year, the water's colors appears different. I hope you also get to see the beauty of Mount Pinatubo and experience the 4x4 adventure on a lahard field surrounded by panoramic sand boulders and mountain ranges. Also, to appreciate more of Mount Pinatubo's beauties, avoid the weekend crowd and I suggest visiting during weekdays. Please do not forget to bring hot a sunblock, face mask, and water to protect yourself from heat and sun. I hope that you find this vlog helpful and entertaining. Thank you for watching and see you on my next adventure.
Okay na to. Tinatanong ko kayo kanina, gusto niyo talagang buong. Ako na, konti lang naman. Ba yan? Asan si Toltol? Sorry po.
Ano ba, iikot ba?
Video ay picture dyan. Mag-video, hindi crowded. Iba talaga, nag-iiba talaga ang kulay ng ano daw tol. Depende sa buwan. Kasi nung pumunta talaga kami, ang ganda nung kulay. Dahil din siguro naulan, no? Pero October, takot. Mainit na.
Isang araw dalawa tayo.
Galing. Ba't malapit lang yung falls? Did you have fun?
Yeah. But it's so hot. Lamig. Kanina naman, lamig na ulit.
Ano naman